This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Pull the hood release lever, located on the driver's side kick panel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards, then support it with the prop rod. Loosen the cable clamp nut and disconnect the cable from the negative battery terminal. Turn the heater control to the maximum heat setting. With the engine cool, unscrew the coolant reservoir cap. Wrap a thick cloth around the radiator cap, then slowly unscrew and remove it from the radiator to relieve any residual pressure remaining in the system. Move a large container under the radiator drain fitting to catch the coolant. The radiator drain plug is located on the right side, lower corner of the radiator. Open the drain fitting until coolant starts flowing from the drain hole. A pair of pliers may be required to turn it. Allow the coolant in the radiator to drain completely. While the coolant is draining, check the condition of the radiator hoses, heater hoses, and clamps. Replace any damaged clamps or hoses before refilling the cooling system. Once the coolant has finished draining, tighten the radiator drain plug securely by hand. Dispose of the used coolant properly. Follow the lower radiator hose to the engine to locate the thermostat housing cover. Remove the quick connect fitting by releasing the spring lock. Then, pull the quick connect fitting away from the thermostat by wiggling it free. Remove the thermostat housing cover bolts. Then release the wiring harness clip from the cover. Be prepared for some coolant to spill as the seal is broken. The thermostat and cover are removed and replaced as a single unit. Remove all traces of the old seal from the matting surfaces. If one is not already pre-installed, install the new O-ring on the thermostat cover before installation. Install the thermostat, complete with the housing cover. The thermostat should already be positioned in the cover correctly by the manufacturer. Install the cover mounting bolts and tighten them to the specified torque setting. Attach the wiring harness clip to the thermostat housing cover. Make sure that the stub on the thermostat housing and the inside of the lower radiator hose is clean. Then reconnect the lower radiator hose to the thermostat. Also note that the factory recommends replacing the O-ring seal inside the hose quick connect fitting before reinstalling it. Secure the radiator hose with the spring lock hose clip. Refill the cooling system. Fill the cooling system with the proper type and mixture of antifreeze, up to the base of the radiator filler neck. The coolant level may drop slightly after filling the radiator, so keep adding coolant to the radiator until the coolant remains level with the filler neck base. Loosely install the radiator cap. Connect the negative cable to the negative terminal of the battery. Tighten the nuts securely. Start the engine and run at approximately 1500 RPM until the radiator fan comes on 2 times. Feel the upper radiator hose. It should be warm, indicating the thermostat has opened. Turn off the engine and let it cool down. Slowly remove the radiator cap and recheck the coolant level, adding more as necessary to bring the level up to the base of the filler neck. Fully install the radiator cap. Fill the coolant reservoir with the coolant until the level reaches slightly above the minimum mark.